Hi, I'm Bill,
Hi, I'm Laurie.
and welcome to our channel. So we're going to do a little experimentation tonight. Laurie's going to explain it and take it away.
Well, we're still trying to discover new things that we can do in our uni oven. So tonight we are making sukiyaki. It's a kind of like a Japanese hot pot. So first we're going to have Bill take out the sizzler, the uni sizzler.
The Ooni cast iron skillet pan.
Skillet. I keep getting the name of that one mixed up.
All right.
So we have it preheated.
It's pretty toasty.
Okay, so I'm going to add a little oil to our pan. And throw in some green onions just to flavor the oil. Wow, you're right.
Yep.
It is toasty.
Yeah,
Maybe.
we wanted to kind of heat the pan up to about 500 degrees. I think I got a little bit more than that.
So that's okay. Oh, doesn't that smell good? And now we're going to put in our meat. And this meat is really sliced thin, so it cooks really fast. So we want to make sure we don't overcook it. And we're
gonna maybe do this in a batch. We'll see how much meat we can get in.
We may not even need to put it back in. It's really almost paper thin. And you can buy it at any Asian market.
Boy, that smells good.
Yeah. So now we just kind of put the meat over in one little corner. And now we're going to add our vegetables.
You want me to bring up the vegetable?
Yeah.
And look at those mushrooms. Why don't you hold one up for the camera?
See, we kind of cut little slits in the mushrooms just because they'll cook faster. But they're also very pretty that way.
And so what do we have here? We have mushrooms.
We have mushrooms, napa Chinese cabbage, and we have tofu. I think everybody knows what tofu is. And you just put as much in here that will fit, and some napa Chinese cabbage. And then and also they include yam noodles.
What's yam noodles?
They're noodles made out of yam flour.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of a traditional item. It used to be my favorite. My brother and I, we used to fight over who's going to get more noodles. Whoop. And then we add some green onions. And then we pour over a sauce made out of water, sugar, soy sauce, Japanese rice wine, and some sake. We just pour the sauce right over everything. I think that should be good.
And can I put it in?
Yeah, let me see if I can get a little bit more cabbage in.
Absolutely.
Because it cooks down pretty fast. Okay.
All right.
So you might need to turn it up just to get it going again.
Okay, I'll turn it up to the uni low.
Or maybe actually a high just to reheat the pan.
Okay, you want it on high.
Yeah, we'll see.
Your wish is my command. And let me just do a little bit.
As I said, we are still experimenting to see And this shouldn't take very long because everything, the napa cabbage cooks really fast, and we're just heating up the broth. So Bill, maybe you want to, while I'm looking at this, I guess we could get our rice bowls.
Get our rice
Yeah.
ready. Okay, we're starting to get a little burn on the top of the cabbage.
Okay, well, why don't
Should I turn it down?
why don't we turn it down?
Okay. So you keep an eye on that,
I will.
and let me. Geez, I guess I could use my Ooni glove for this.
Yeah. Maybe we could. Whew, hot.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, let's see. Maybe we need to do a little rotation on the uni and.
So let me get both gloves on.
Okay.
And I tell you what, I can spin it in here, but I think I'm gonna take it out
Let's see.
and rotate it on the stand.
I might rotate some of the vegetables just to
Okay.
give it a little bit more cooked.
Boy, that's looking great. Oh, and see, the mushrooms are starting to shrink up a little bit,
Yeah,
right?
they're cooking in the sauce.
Very nice.
So this is something you might cook at a family gathering, and you just cook a little bit in batches, and people eat it as it's ready, and then you cook another batch.
Yeah, I
But
think.
Bill and I are here by ourselves, so we're going to eat the whole batch ourselves.
Yeah. I think you could probably take care of 4 to 6 with what we got here.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, we got some more vegetables that we could cook in the batch, and you could always throw in beef, more beef. How much meat did you?
This is like a half a pound.
Half a pound. Okay.
It's thinly sliced, and the Japanese always use like prime rib roast, but when we were growing up, we would use economical cuts of meat, and we didn't know the difference.
All right. What do you think? Should we take it out and take a look?
Yeah, why don't we?
Yeah, because I think. Well, while you're the chef, I just turn the oven on and keep the cameras going.
Oh,
It's looking good, huh?
yeah, it's just the vegetables need a little bit more time.
Okay. And we'll keep them towards the back then.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So this is the second time that we've used the Ooni cast iron skillet and had liquid in it. We did some Singaporean chili prawns, and we kind of filled that skillet up to the top with the chili sauce. And so you just got to be really careful. Yeah, that worked out great. And we have that video up already if you want to check that one out. How much more do you think we got to go?
Well, it's just a cabbage, so I think we could check it and see how it is.
Okay.
Okay. And we have some white
So do we
rice
wanna,
here.
We're gonna give it a test.
Yeah.
Okay, let me take my gloves off. Get ready for the main event. Do you want to
Actually,
go first?
And what the Japanese do is they just have their bowl of white rice, and then they take a little bit of sukiyaki and they put it over their rice, and they take a bite. Just like that. See how it is.
Okay. Let me find a smaller piece. Oh, and then the juice
Yeah.
kind of
Gets all over
yeah,
the.
This looks hot.
hmm Pretty good.
That is good.
Take a mushroom.
I think definitely your sauce. I'm going to go for tofu.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's unusual.
Oh, I eat tofu.
You do.
I kind of like it when it's kind of a little bit browned or.
The mushrooms are good. Well, that's all we have to do tonight to share.
Oh, we're not gonna. Yeah, I guess that's about
That's it.
I don't know how long this took, but it was really a quick meal.
Yeah, especially with the uni, heats everything up so quickly. That's one of the benefits.
So maybe in closing, we'll try not to eat in front of you, but if you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up. As always, we welcome and appreciate new subscribers, and to our existing subscribers, thank you so much. But what really drives this channel is your comments and questions. Through your comments, we learn how to do things better, and that really, really helps us out. And what do you know? My propane tank just went empty. All right. Okay, well, till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow.
great
That was
timing, huh?
looking.
Okay, let's shut these things down. Oh, okay, that was about 12 minutes. So that'll make a nice video.
The vegetables are really good.
Yeah, the vegetables are really good. I mean, that's the part that's kind of hard to get across to people, is the taste.